Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your Apar ID and the mobile number linked to your Aadhaar. Once done, open the Digilocker app or go to the web portal because the login flow is identical. Tap Sign In, choose Aadhaar Authentication, and enter your Aadhaar number when prompted. This links your Apar ID in the same session. Make sure your device has network access to receive the OTP. Without that, you cannot proceed. Now request the OTP and get ready for verification. Once you receive the 6-digit OTP, type it in right away because delays typically cause expiration. After OTP validation, follow the Aadhaar authentication prompts. Allow biometrics if asked, or confirm the OTP method shown. You will see an account mapping screen. This is where you select or manually enter your Apar ID to link records. Make sure the Apar ID spelling and digits match official paperwork, since mismatches prevent retrieval. After confirming, the system will fetch your linked documents and profile. You finish by reviewing the Digilocker dashboard. Verify that your Apar records and documents are present and download any copies you need. For convenience, set or update a PIN for faster future logins, but always sign out on public devices. If something goes wrong, most commonly OTP or linking failures, pause and retry after 5 minutes, confirm your Aadhaar mobile is active, and re-enter the Apar ID exactly. If issues persist, contact Digilocker support or your issuing authority for.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.